Not so close by, Baba, please. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Madeline Korea here. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the bell icon and watch all my videos. They are very interesting. Okay. Today I am here to teach you, to show you para. It's a pickle of dry fish. Now only certain fish are dried. Okay. And this fish is of this type. Wait. This is called Bangdule in Konkani, which is totally dry. The salted fish is different. This is also salted, but it is dried to such an extent that it is dehydrated. Okay. These are Bangdule, means small mackerels. I will make today pickle of these mackerels. The pickle in Goa is called para. Now, what is the story behind this pickle? It is during rainy season, the trolleys don't go for fishing. So people dry the fish in summer and pack it and keep it. Sometimes they fry it on the gas or on the coals, burning coals, and eat it with their as a supplement with their food. But some of them make pickle called the para. It is a fish pickle. And there are many people in the coastal areas that they cannot live without fish. Fish is a diet which only completes their meal, for which they prepare this and store this. This has long shelf life, very long shelf life. And if you notice in my recipe, I have used everything that does not allow one drop of water into it. Okay, let's get started and look at the ingredients present here. I have bought 2 kgs of this. I got about 80 to 85 because they are very small. You have to clean. I have kept aside about 4 or 5 to teach you how to clean. The rest I have cleaned. So you remove the head. Okay. Remove the fins. Sometimes the fins dry and fall off. Remove the stomach part. See the fins. Just clean it. Remove the tail. Keep it aside. The head is already gone. Very important, you have to remove the fins. Remove some part of the stomach because there will be dirt in there. These are small ones. I prefer the small ones because when you are eating, before eating this pickle, you have to shallow fry. Remember, shallow fry. And for which, when you want to serve people, I think this one piece of fish will be just right for a meal. 1 or 2 depends upon how you like it. I hope you have observed how I cleaned it. Okay. Let's get started. I'll show you the ingredients. It's very important. Okay. These are 80 garlic cloves. 1.5 inch ginger finely chopped because it will help me while grinding. 25 cloves and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. These are 60 dried red chilies. 60 chilies for 2 kgs of fish. Mind you, I have cleaned it so the weight becomes less. I have soaked it for 1 hour because I want it to become soft. I have used 2 bottles of vinegar. Now you have seen half is used because this half I have soaked the red chilies. Okay. Now I'll put this in the jar for grinding because there is another step of washing the fish and that I will show you. Let me first put this into the jar. I can use this vinegar, okay, which I had soaked the little by little. You have to keep on stirring it because there will be air block inside, and there are vinegar may come out. I can add in vinegar because 2 bottles of vinegar I have to use. Yes, this is. It should be coarsely ground. Look, the texture. Okay. Keep this aside. Now starts the washing of the fish. You can do it in 2 batches. Okay. Put in the vinegar. I think I'll put more. You have to wash this because we cannot wash it in water. You have to wash because any dirt that is there should be washed off. One by one you have to wash. Look. Because this is stored and we don't know what unnecessary substances must have stuck on it. It has to be washed thoroughly. Don't use, never have shelf life. And since you require a shelf life, and this vinegar which you use to wash the fish, you cannot use it again. You have that is fine. Please have patience, okay? After preparing this pickle, it's not ready to eat. You have to keep it to mature for 4 weeks. in airtight glass bottle or ceramic. In olden days we used to have ceramic jars, but now it's not advisable, I believe. So glass jars would do the work, would do fine. Store it for 4 weeks, then it is ready to use. Now when you use it, you cannot use it directly like how we do other pickles. I have shown you other fish pickle. You have to shallow fry in a pan, and then it is ready to eat. It is awesome. You just try this recipe. You can use any vinegar. I've used this because this is easily available. Usually I use sugarcane vinegar if I have to make, but it was not available. So I bought this from the local shop. Necessary to wash again in vinegar because I can see and feel that the dirt is absolutely gone from here. Be careful of the thorn, I mean the bones of the fish. Look. I'm feeling like washing it again with another little more vinegar. Okay, first wash this is. I found there's a lot of dirt that has come out, so I will wash it in little more vinegar. I feel like, because I want it to be still better. So at a time I will use now I feel good. The salt comes out, that excess salt that is there, it comes out. That is in this comes out. There's a lot of salt. Have you noticed I have not put salt in my ingredients? It's not necessary because this itself is having salt. It is salty fish. The salt is enough, whatever is there inside. What is out, all the dirt and salt has come out. I'm sure now it is very clean. And mind you, there is no vinegar to wash it. Okay? Don't pati dule abe. Second time we dule. Ata Ankusha, I will throw this out. Now I'll start mixing there is no cooking in this, mind you, because this is stored in the raw form. And I told you it has to be kept for 4 weeks for it to mature. It has to be bottled airtight. I'll wash this with vinegar. Just washing it with vinegar.
Just wait.
Why? You see, I told you 2 bottles of vinegar I am using. I used half of the bottle for washing it little more. This thing has to soak in vinegar. You see, it has to bloat up in vinegar. I have to use both the bottles. Because this is 2 kilos. Let it soak. After some time before bottling, again I will use. Mind you, I have not used oil because oil is used while frying. I've kept some. After bottling, I'll pour it over the fish after bottling. Let it be there. Now I have kept some vinegar because after I bottle it, on the top, after filling it, on the top I will pour the vinegar. Let it soak. And why do you think I bought so much? I distribute among my relatives. You know, they love my fish pickles. I will distribute to my sisters and my brothers. And my children don't talk. See, this is the glass bottle. And since this is small, it fills in the bottle very nicely. Don't be messy, okay? Put it like this, slipping, because it's very easy when removing to fry. It's very easy to pick them up. So nice. I am getting the aroma also very beautiful. That if I am doing pickle, why I should not do a large quantity, so that many people get the advantage of eating it. This is a favorite, yeah. Go on, favorite. Rav re Mashe. Mashe Rav. I have to concentrate on this. Rav Mashe. Wow, just see the color. It's already turned soft. Already turned nice, lovely. I wish everything fits in this. The remaining item. I don't think I will use this rest of it. Okay. To make it doubly sure that it is airtight, I am putting a plastic on it, and it has to be tightened. I'll wash my hands and come. Yes, right. Keep it now for 4 weeks. There is enough of vinegar in that. Okay, salt is not added, but other masala is added. This I will put in another bottle. Look, you want to see? See this. Awesome. Let me wipe the table now. Now see this lovely bottle. And you know, let me remind you how it has to be eaten. You cannot directly take from this and eat it. You have to remove it with little masala, shallow fry in a pan. Okay, any pan that you use to fry with. Shallow fry it on both sides and then eat it. It cannot be eaten directly from this. There are other pickles which can be directly eaten. Okay. Thank you, my dear viewers, for having patience. Okay. And enjoy. A para lonche khaun tumi enjoy kara and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I am talking few words in Konkani for benefit of Konkani speaking people. ते लोणचे पारा केला हांवें ते तुमी बॉटलांतल्यान काडल्या उपरांत पॅनान घालून बरें तेलान कोकोनट ऑयल यूज करूंक जाय पॅनान घालून फ्राय करून मागीर तुमी खाया ओके थँक्यू